Hi, my name's Chris. We're entry number 16 in this year's forthcoming motorcycle cannonball run across America. Here's the bike. It is a 1925 locally built bike made in 343 Swanston Street, Melbourne, which is the capital of Victoria, Australia. It's fairly much a stock machine, 8 horsepower JAP engine coupled with a 3-speed Burman gearbox. It has at the moment an original Messenger number 3 seat, very much Excelsior style forks which were made in Australia, Excelsior style guards which were also made in Australia, the pannier style tanks which look very much like Harley. In fact they're basically copied off a Harley, but all the fillers are on the wrong side. Just like to introduce the sidecar, and basically it's an original Goulding sidecar made in 1924-25. Was made in Melbourne, and the footplate shows all the numbers and everything. It's coupled with an original Goulding sidecar guard, and also the Goulding hubcap is nicely fitted under there. You can't see it. On that is fitted a reproduction wicker sidecar body, which was fitted a couple of days ago and needs to be trimmed out. I'd like to introduce my partner, Christine. Christine Hendren should be riding in the wicker sidecar. And much to do and a lot of work yet to get done, but there's things like upholstery and cushions and testing and letting that bit out there. I'd also like to introduce Ian Lavoo. Ian's backup rider and our chief mechanics for technical information and support. Coupled to that is a sidecar which was also made in Melbourne, Victoria, in the same year. It's a Goulding sidecar, and like most sidecars out here, we run on the left-hand side of the road, and we'll be taking this over and running on the right-hand side of the road, so that will be good fun and games. This should be quite a comfortable ride across there, and we hope that you can follow our journey and enjoy our trip. Thank you. Bye for now. There's a horn. Yes, I don't know if that's